Hey everyone, Salesforce Shorts here. Today we're just going to talk about SOQL queries. So all of these queries will just be on accounts, and we've got a few different methods just to show you a few different examples. So we'll start with the first one, which is pretty basic. We've got a list of accounts, select ID name from account. And then we've got a system debug here for accounts. So this will return all the accounts in the system. So that's a pretty simple one. Now up next we've got a string which is called Acme Inc. So this will return all the accounts where the name is equal to this. Okay, so if you've only got one account name, it's going to return the ID and account for that specific account name. Next one, we've got get all accounts owned by a current user. So this will select ID name from accounts where the owner ID is equal to the current user. Another one, get all accounts with billing city of San Francisco. Yeah, so pretty much the same thing. We've got that in a string here. If you wanted to do it the same way as this here at the top with the string, we just need to use this bind expression just before it, but because we're not using that, we can just put is equal to San Francisco. Next one, get all accounts where created date is within the last 7 days. So we've just got a date here where we're using system.today and then minus 7 days. So that's pretty simple. And then just checking where created date is greater than or equal to last week. So next one that we've got here is get all accounts with a specific record type. So this one here could be pretty important. So if you're working in sandboxes and different environments, you don't really want to get the record type ID because that might change. So the best way to do this is to get the actual name. And the way you do that is by using the schema S object account and then get record type infos by name. And then you can put the record type name in here. And then this is going to get you all the accounts where the record type is equal to customers. Next one, we've got get all accounts with a specific industry and annual level greater than 1 million. So yeah, I'm sure you're probably getting the hang of it now. So it's like select ID name from accounts where industry is technology and annual revenue is greater than 1 million. Get all accounts with a specific owner. So yeah, once again, it's probably not best practice to put the ID in here like this. You don't want to hard code it, but yeah, we're doing that here. So just pretty much doing the same thing using the bind because we've got the ID there at the top. Then we've got get all accounts with a specific type. So here we've got a list of strings where we've got different types, and now we're getting all of the accounts where the account type is one of these ones. Okay, so we're using in because we've got multiple of them. Get the number of accounts in the org. So here we can just use the count, okay, and that'll get the total count. And this one here is similar to what we had before. Get the number of accounts with a specific industry. All right, and then last one that we've got here is get the number of accounts created within the last 30 days. So similar to what we had before, we've got a date here, last month, and then you can just change this based on whatever you want to put inside of this number. So if you probably can't go 30 days ahead because there won't be any records, but yeah. And then same sort of thing here. And yeah, that's just a whole lot of SOQL queries. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and check out all our other videos. Thanks.